Good evening and welcome to Business Hook's daily news podcast, where we get your roundup of the day's top business stories. I'm Avni Raja, and today is the 30th of July 2024. Let's start with the day's market action. The Sensex and the Nifty ended the session almost flat, giving up all intraday gains. The Sensex closed at 81,455 and the Nifty at 24,857. Among the Nifty 50 stocks, 21 advanced while 29 declined. Tata Motors was the biggest gainer of the day, ending 3.4% higher. Meanwhile, in Asia, most equity markets closed in the red. However, Japan's Nikkei closed marginally higher as the Bank of Japan began its two-day monetary policy meeting. The Japanese central bank is expected to increase its key interest rate to 0.1% from the current range of 0 to 0.1%. Back home, Rapido is India's newest unicorn. The ride-hailing platform raised $120 million, that's about 1,000 crore rupees, from existing investor Westbridge Capital at a post-money valuation of $1 billion. With this, Rapido becomes India's third unicorn in 2024. After a quarter of strong earnings, India's leading tech companies are gearing up to hire 90,000 freshers in FY25. This marks a significant turnaround after several quarters of a hiring slowdown among the IT giants. TCS is set to hire nearly half of these recruits with 40,000 positions available, while Infosys plans to bring on 15,000 to 20,000 freshers following a three-quarter pause in campus hiring. The central government collected 98,681 crore rupees from long-term capital gains tax on listed equities in the financial year 2022-23, marking a 15% growth over the preceding financial year. Long-term capital gains tax on equities was introduced in April 2018 at a rate of 10%. In Budget 2024, the Finance Minister increased the rate to 12.5%. Gold demand in India took a hit in the April to June quarter, falling 5% year-on-year as per the World Gold Council. However, the second half of 2024 is expected to witness a spike in demand for the yellow metal due to the crash in gold prices in India. Gold prices fell after FM Sitharaman announced a reduction in customs duty on gold from 15% to 6%. And before we wrap up, here's some good news for pet parents. Bajaj Capital Insurance has introduced a new insurance plan for pets. This product is designed to protect pets from accidents and illnesses, cover routine and preventive care, as well as reduce out-of-pocket expenses for vet visits, surgeries, and medication. Do let us know in the comments if you like this business news podcast. Don't forget to share and subscribe to Business Hook for more such content.